Coders, I'm back again with another video, and in this particular video I'll be discussing a particular problem set scenario in which you will be shrinking the volume of your pen drive so that whatever file you are keeping within that pen drive, other than the file which you have kept, the user who is using the pen drive, he won't be able to keep his own files other than the file you have already kept. So I have already a folder present with me, SS, and it's having a file within it of SS info, and its size is 8.67 MB. So as you can see that I am having some drives, but I don't have any pen drive inserted. Now first of all, let me insert the pen drive, and then after that I will be shrinking the volume of it. Yeah, so the pen drive is being inserted. So right click and then click refresh. Yeah, so cancel, fine. So we are having a pen drive, a raw pen drive. Let's right click on it, and then just simply we can use the format from here, or maybe we can use our own command prompt. So window R CMD and control shift enter. Sorry, I press control enter. So window R, then control shift enter to open up in administrative mode. Now let's arrange the windows side by side. Fine. So what I'll be doing is that I need to first list disk. List disk means whatever partitions are present in my computer, it will be okay. So before using this list disk, I need a executable file which is known by the name of diskpart.exe. So this will be making some partitions. Now I will be hitting the command diskpart. Sorry, list disk. We are having disk 1, but that disk 1 is not usable. So what I will be doing is that I will be writing. I need to create a partition within it. So first of all, let's write the command clean. There is no disk selected, so select disk 1. Now we'll be writing the command clean. Okay, so after cleaning up, we'll be making a partition within it. So I will be writing the command that format file system equal to FAT32. You can use NTFS file system as well. Format FAT32 primary. So format FS primary means occupy whatever the size of the pen drive of it, use the full volume of it. Let's hit enter. Are not okay. Format select disk 1. So let's again select disk 1. Select disk 1. Now let's format it. So I have created a partition. Create partition primary. Where is that particular command? Clean format. Okay, so I need to create a partition. Create partition primary. Okay, fine. Now let's format file system equals to FAT32, not hyphen. File system equals to FAT32, and it will be a quick one. So whatever. So let's like quick. Let's wait. Okay, so okay, so now we are having a pen drive of 3.73 GB. Now we'll be shrinking that particular pen drive. So before shrinking it, what we'll be doing is that we'll be simply ejecting the pen drive. We'll be closing this. We'll be closing this command prompt. We'll be again inserting our pen drive. Let's wait for a couple of minutes so that it's being shown in here. Refresh. Yeah, So what we'll be doing is that we'll be writing Windows R CMD, then Control Shift Enter, not Control Enter, sorry, my mistake. Control Shift Enter, Window R CMD, Control Shift Enter. Fine. So let's arrange the window. Yeah, so we are having a pen drive of 3.73 GB. So we'll be using our file system of diskpart.exe. Fine. Now we'll be list disk. Then select that particular disk, select disk 1. After that we will be shrinking it. So for shrinking we will be doing is that create partition primary, and we will be setting the size to 100 MB, so 100. Okay, so let's first of all clean the pen drive. Then we will be doing create partition primary size 100. So we are now having a pen drive with a partition with a size of 100, but there is no file system associated with it. So format file system equals to FAT32, and I will be doing a quick format. After that we will be assigning it. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Let's see what happens. Okay, so let's close this window. Window R CMD, Control Shift Enter. Fine. So disk part dot, so there is a problem with my USB port. Disk part.exe. Let's eject the pen drive and insert it one more time. After that we will be writing list disk, then I will be selecting that particular pen drive. So let's refresh this particular window. Let's see whether the pen drive is visible or not. Yeah, it's now it's having 100 MB of space. Fine. So though the pen drive is of 4 GB, but the size is now 95.9 MB. So you will be able to keep only 100 MB of your data, and the pen drive whom you are giving, he won't be able to keep his own file. Now what we'll be doing is that we will be recovering that the space, which I mean the unused space. So first for that we will be selecting that particular drive. So what we will be doing is that we will be select disk 1. After that we will be writing the command clean for cleaning up the particular disk partition, cleaning up the disk. After that we will be creating a partition. So create partition, and then you will be using primary, only primary, no size. That means whole of the space will be occupied. Create partition primary. After that we will be okay. In creating the specified partition, we will be doing a format, and this time it will be a file system of FAT32. You can use NTFS as well, and it will be a quick format. After that we will be assigning. Fine. So now we are having a pen drive of 3.73 GB. So I know this might look a pretty complicated one. So before ending the video, we'll be again shrinking the volume. For that we'll be ejecting the pen drive. Before ending the video, I'll be doing the thing again. So let's eject the pen drive and insert the pen drive one more time for the last time before ending the video. So there is a problem with my USB drive. Somehow it's not getting recognized properly. Yeah. So it's now it's now okay. So let's close this particular command prompt. Let's right click refresh. So okay, so we're having now we'll be shrinking the volume. So window R, CMD, Control Shift Enter to open a command prompt in administrative mode. Now what we'll be doing is that we'll be using a particular disk part.exe. After that we'll be doing this list disk. After that we'll be selecting that particular disk. So select disk 1. After that what we'll be doing is that I need to make a set a size. So create partition. So disk 1, let's clean it up. Clean, and access is denied. Anyways, so clean is not possible since okay. So clean is not possible. So, clean, fine. Anyways, so what we'll be doing is that we'll be creating a partition. Create partition size equal, create partition size equal to 200. So earlier we did a 100 MB size. This one, this time we'll be assigning it a value of 200 MB. Create version, create a okay, create partition, clean. Okay, so create partition extended, create an extended per logical drive. So clean, select disk 1, fine. So let's format the pen drive. So clean. After cleaning, let's assign list disk. Select disk 1. After that, we will be creating a partition. Format. So first of all, create partition. Okay, sorry, create partition. The command is successful. Create partition size equal to 200, but I need to write this particular line. Primary size equal to 200. Fine. Now we are having a pen drive of a size 200 MB, which the pen drive was of 4 GB. Now we need to give it some file system. So what we'll be doing is that we'll be writing format file system equals to FAT32, and it will be a quick one. Fine. After that we'll be assigning. So okay, fine. So I beg pardon to all my viewers who are viewing this particular video. It's a pretty lengthy one, and I just watch it back and forth to just get a grasp of what I'm trying to do. So this video could have been a little the length of the video could have been a smaller one. Have had been there no problem with my USB port. So in this video I just demonstrated how you can shrink your pen drive, whatever the pen drive you are using, whether it is of 32 GB or 1 TB, you will be shrinking it to a size of only the file which we want to keep, and you are giving the pen drive to someone and he won't be able to keep his own file other than the file which you are asking him to keep. So that's all for this not short video tutorial. That's a lengthy video tutorial. Watch it back and forth and let me know guys in the comment section how you felt about this video. And if you feel that you have if you need these steps one by one, that step 1, step 2, step 3, I can write it in the comment section. So you can drop a comment in my comment section and I can just reply back to you and get in touch with you guys, and it will also help me know that you have watched the video and you have liked it and you are eager on doing this practically. And if you are facing any problem, also do comment what is the error which you are facing, and I will try to resolve it out. That's all for this not short video tutorial, long video tutorial. Thank you all guys and happy coding.